can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, open digital run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of your posts. And I'm just tryna play it cool now.
I'm prepping my lips with the cult fave, the PawPaw Ointment. I'm starting with the eye makeup first. Using my trusty Mistine Conceal and Color Correct palette, I'm taking the mid-tone concealer to prime my eyes. I'm setting it with my Nichido loose powder in Ivory Glow. I'm using the Magic by Juvia's palette. Taking Nana as my transition shade, I'll be mapping out the shape of my eye into a feline slant. I'm using the small deluxe blending brush from the BH Cosmetics Sculpt and Blend brush set. After 4 years, I finally have new brushes, courtesy of my dad as a birthday gift. Using a precision detailer brush, I'm mixing Zakia and Koji to create a small V shape just above my crease. I know it's a shocking face, but we'll blend it out later. Again, I'm blending it in the same pattern to continue with the cat eye look. I'm using the previous brush to blend out any harsh lines. With a large shader brush, I'm loading up the shimmer baby pink shade Ocean on the lid as a base. You can spritz some setting spray to intensify the color. To brighten the lids, I'm applying Zupa on top, which is much darker and brighter than Ocean. At some point, I find using my ring finger leads to a better application. I'm taking again the small detailer brush with the same color shades to go over the color once more. You can tell that I'll be going over a lot of eye makeup process, and the reason why is because this is going to be the focal point of this makeup look. I'm cleaning out my eye makeup using a makeup wipe to get rid of any fallouts. I'm going over again with shade Ocean and Zuba to intensify the eyes. You can reapply this from time to time if you want that extra drama. My Element of Surprise palette is making a comeback, and that's because I'm obsessed with the shade details to deepen my crease. I'm using a pointed slant brush that hugs my crease perfectly. This also gives that cut crease effect. This is my final application of the lid shade for Ocean and Zuba because I am now going to apply an eyeliner. I'll be tightlining first with my Kleopatra pencil eyeliner. I'm using this new eyeliner from Caroline Cosmetics in collaboration with Andrea B called Blythe Eyeliner Duo Stamp. I like dark brown eyeliners to define my eyes because it's much more forgiving and accentuates my eyes more as opposed to black eyeliner. I wish the other end was a wing instead of a star because I'm not going to use it that much, but I like how this glides on my eyes. Got your hands all in my pocket. Moving on to the face, I'm priming my entire face with the Benefit Professional Primer. This is part of the Eye Break for Beauty set, which is also a birthday gift from my sister. To give my lips a fuller effect, I'm using a tinted lip plumper from LA Girl. For foundation, I'm in love with my Fenty Beauty Foundation. I got this as a graduation gift while shopping in Sephora, Malaysia. With the help from the Sephora employee, we found a perfect color match, and I'm in shade 190. I'm buffing it with a foundation brush. Make sure to blend it all the way to your hairline and neck. To camouflage my dark puffy bags, I'll be applying a green concealer under my eyes. As you can see, I didn't apply foundation there because I need to color correct it first before applying concealer. And my holy grail concealer is the Tarte Shape Tape. This is the only concealer I found around the entire Sephora store that fully covered my stubborn eye bags. I just dot it under my eyes and blemishes. You only need little because it is so thick, so this will last longer. We about to start a fire, alright. And it tastes like kerosene. Oh girl, tell me when it's the last time I had I'm taking the darkest concealer in the palette for my contour. I'm applying it a bit higher to accentuate the cheekbones and jawline. I'm going to blend it with a contour brush. Make sure you blend it up to your hairline. I'm going to bake under my eyes, and just below I apply the contour to set it, and this makes everything nice and clean. For my brows, I'm currently using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I only twist it twice to expose the product. I'm outlining under and above the brow and shading it at the tail first, working my way towards the arch. I'll be feathering the front part only to achieve natural looking brows. Since this doesn't come with a spoolie, I'm brushing it with a sample spoolie that I stole from the Sephora counter. To set my brows, I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus and brushing it upwards, highlighting some brow hairs to emulate that soap brows. I'm brushing off the powder and dusting off my entire face with the same loose powder. The Benefit Pretty in the USA has all of my favorite face products. Taking the Hoola bronzer to bronze up my entire face, such as my cheekbones and jawline. I'm using the nose contour brush to define my nose. For blush, I'm taking the Rocketeer blush and brushing that upwards rather than directly on the apples of my cheeks for a defined look. But that's not what I want. And for highlight, I'm taking Dandelion Twinkle on my cheekbones, brows, but I could be a crush like tip and bridge of the nose, and on the inner corners of my eyes to look more awake. Taking the same Kleopatra eyeliner for my waterline and smoking out my eyes using the same shades I used earlier. For mascara, I'm going back to Loreal Lash Paradise, one of my faves, and I notice I don't need to apply falsies anymore because this gives me the volume I need. I'm curling my lashes first, and my trick for the lashes to stay up is pressing the curler quickly multiple times. I'm applying it on my top and bottom lashes. And I'm just trying to play it cool now. I'm scrubbing off my lip plum to prep it for my lip liner. I'm using this one from Bilena in the shade Toast of New York, which is darker than the lip color I'll be using today. I'm outlining my lips just a tad bit to make them a bit bigger. I'm drawing in at the center of the lips to give the illusion of fuller lips. My fave is the Kris Matic Lipstick in Life, which is a dusty mauve pink, and this goes with every eye makeup look. And I'm finally done.
You blame me when you keep me on the fence like, and I've been waiting hoping that you'd wanna text like, but that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not trying to be with you now, you know. You make it difficult to not overthink, and when I'm with you